Demand gen is Google's newest campaign type. Over the course of October 2023, demand gen should roll out in all Google Ads accounts. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know about demand gen. What makes it different from Discovery or Performance Max? What networks does it serve on, and what are the campaign's unique features? I also have a tutorial going through the setup of the campaign, so be sure to check that out as well. Demand gen is being presented as the social campaign. They don't have much to worry about in search engine advertising. In the grand digital marketing scheme, Google is losing ground to social media advertising and even influencer marketing. So they're treating Discover, Gmail, and YouTube as social platforms and are launching their social campaign. The focus here is on visuals, visual ads on visual platforms. Demand gen takes over all of Discovery's features and adds some new options as well. Discovery ads serve on YouTube InFeed, Discover, and Gmail. Demand gen ads will serve in all of these places, but it adds YouTube InStream and YouTube Shorts. The type of ads that are placed is expanded as well. Where Discovery only had image ads and the option to upload a product feed for dynamic product remarketing, demand gen also allows for video ads. Discovery only had conversion and conversion value bidding strategies available, but with demand gen, you can go for maximized clicks as well. Finally, this is not just an update from the Discovery model, but it's an entirely new Google Ads feature only available in demand gen campaigns. Lookalike segments. Similar segments were deprecated and Google promised more durable automated solutions. And it looks like this is it. Google has also shared this nifty little overview in their Upgrade Discovery to Demand Gen article, so be sure to check that out. Starting in November, you can manually upgrade your Discovery campaign to Demand Gen, but starting early next year, these upgrades will happen automatically. So let's compare demand gen to the golden child, PMax. Google also has an overview of this, just a little less nifty than a Discovery comparison. To start off, PMax serves on all Google platforms and networks. That's search, shopping, YouTube, Discover, Gmail, display. We already went over this with the Discovery comparison, but here's the rundown again. Demand gen will serve on YouTube, including Shorts and InStream, Discover, and Gmail. Just like Discovery, PMax only offers conversion-based bidding, but with demand gen you can go for click-based bidding. I am quite excited about the possibilities of demand gen, and I'm looking forward to making videos about it. It seems to be smart lunchtime as well, giving advertisers just enough time to test the grounds before launching their holiday campaigns. People who had bad experiences with PMax might want to give demand gen a chance because it's a bit more confined than Performance Max. People who had good experiences with Performance Max might also want to give demand gen a chance because they want to see more of Google's cross-network automated goodness. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. And for now, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget I have a setup tutorial video as well, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Google Ads videos.